Hello. Now, in the past, many of you have asked for a free offering, and I do my best to have a lot of free materials for you. And now, today, I'm excited to share a new, completely free mobile tool within the MasterHealth app, where I also offer the Wahls Protocol mobile program. It's called Habit Challenges. Now, challenges create a space for you to set a habit specific goal and then focus on building healthy habits with the built-in accountability tool with your friends, family, or others in your private community. You can work towards building 24 different habits from the Wahls Protocol, such as eating your 9 cups of veggies and other nutrition, movement, and stress management activities.
We know that including another person, and ideally someone you know really well in your health journey, can add a really helpful layer of accountability and improve your odds of hitting your habit building objectives. So we created challenges because we wanted to make habit building more social, more fun, and accountable. We've also included a number of behavioral change principles that will work to keep you engaged and active without you even realizing it. So when you invite people to your challenge, you might do it because, either you'd like to help them hit their goals, or maybe you'd like them to help you hit your goals, or simply for the fun of tracking your habits together. Kind of like playing a turn-based game on your phone, but with a focus on improving your health.
As I mentioned, challenges within the MasterHealth app are free for you to use and free for anyone that you invite to join you in building that habit together. Now, if you feel you're ready to take on my challenges to you, you may consider subscribing to the Wahls Protocol mobile program, which includes 112 different habits, where you can work to adopt the Wahls Protocol into your day-to-day life. And you can do that within the Master app as well.